Welcome to Raghava Creations. Max is easy. Do subscribe our channel. Today we are going to learn about chapter 3, algebra, which is a part of term 1 and exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2 deals with addition and subtraction of algebra. So exercise 3.1, to view the sums of exercise 3.1, kindly check the description box to get a link. Okay, so let's see what is addition and subtraction of algebra. So here in algebra, we have already learnt about like and unlike terms. So here we have chocolates. So you had X chocolates. You bought same X chocolates. So now you will have X plus X, that is 2X. So you have had it. Then your friend gives you 3X chocolates. So already you have 2X. Now your friend gives you 3X. So 2X plus 3X is 5X. So addition of algebra can be done only with like terms. Like terms are terms with the same variables. Now let's take another example. X mangoes. We'll take mangoes as X and oranges as Y. So when we add both, you cannot mix mangoes and oranges together. So that is X plus Y, mangoes and oranges. So we are not adding numbers because both are different fruits. So only like terms can be added and unlike terms cannot be added. So here you have the concept of addition and subtraction together. So now you got the idea, right? It is just adding the numbers, adding the coefficients of the numerical coefficient. So you add the numerical coefficient and write the literal coefficient with the answer. So 2x plus 4x is 6x, 12y plus 5y is 17y, 6a plus 15a is 21a. So in subtraction, also the basic rule remains the same. Subtract the numbers and write the unknown alphabet term in the answer with it. That is, write the literal coefficient with the answer. 6x minus 4x is 2x. 6 minus 4 is 2 and write the variable as it is. 12y minus 5. 12 minus 5 is 7 and write y as it is. So always remember, addition and subtraction of algebra can be done only with like terms and not with unlike terms. So here for addition, group all the like terms together in the two polynomials. Combine all the like terms to get the balanced polynomial. Subtraction, change the sign of all the polynomial to be subtracted. Group all the like terms and follow the addition rule. So add the number, write the literal coefficient. Subtract the number, write the literal coefficient. Rules, only the like terms can be added or subtracted. Unlike terms cannot be added nor subtracted. 0 has no value, so no need to have unknown terms with it. So even if you don't have a variable with 0, it is the same. So 2x plus 4y is equals to 4y plus 2x. Even if the order is interchanged, the value remains the same. But remember, you have to keep this to the sign. Exercise 3.2, sum number 1 and 2. Okay, fill in the blanks. The addition of 2a minus the addition of minus 7b and 2b is. So minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5 and write the literal coefficient which is b. The subtraction of 5m from minus 3m, that means minus 3m minus 5m. Both are minus signs, so you add the numbers, so minus 8m. The additive inverse of minus 37xyz. Additive inverse is the other sign, so minus 37 becomes plus 37xyz. Say true or false. The expressions 8x plus 3y and 7x plus 2y cannot be added. So here you have 8x, 7x, 3y and 2y. So you can add both the expression because they are like terms. So the answer is true when you add it. Now here we are saying 8x plus 3y and 7x plus 2y. So all the two terms are different. X and y terms are there. So it is false. All the four terms cannot be added. If x is a natural number, then x plus 1 is its predecessor. So x plus 1 is the successor. X minus 1 only is the predecessor. The statement is false. Sum of a minus b plus c and minus a plus b minus c is 0. So a minus a is 0, minus b plus b is 0, c minus c is 0. So it is true. And 8x 3 plus 3x. So add the numerical coefficients because they are like terms. 8 plus 3 is 11 and the answer is 11x. 7mn and 5mn. Since mn and mn are like terms, add 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. So you get 12mn. minus 9y, 11y, 2y. All the three are like terms. So add only the coefficients. So minus 9 plus 11 plus 2 and y. So you get 11 plus 2 is 13. 13 minus 9 is 4y. Subtract 4k from 12k. So 12k minus 4k. So here you both are like terms. So 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 is 8k. 15q from 25q. So 25q minus 15q. So you get 25 minus 15 as 10q. 7xyz from 17xyz. So 17xyz minus 7xyz. So 17 minus 7 is 10xyz. Find the sum of 7p plus 6q, 5p minus q, q plus 16p. So arrange all the like terms together. So I'm going to arrange like how we have already learned to do the addition as ones and tens place. So all the p terms are arranged together and all the q terms are arranged together. So now let's add. Plus you have 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6q. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 16 is 28p. So 28p plus 6q is the answer. Subtract 13x plus 12y minus 5 from 27x plus 5y minus 43. So let's write 27x plus 5y minus 43 above and below 13x plus 12y minus 5. Group them according to their terms. Now since it is subtraction, you have to change the sign of the second expression. So when you change plus, plus changes to minus. Again, you have plus changes to minus and minus changes to plus. So here you have plus changes to minus, minus plus again changes to minus and minus sign changes to plus. So minus 43 plus 5 is minus, both are different signs. So you subtract and you get minus 38. Plus 5 and minus 12. So 12 minus 5 is 7 and 12 is a greater number. So minus 7y. 27 minus 13 is 14x. So now the same similar sums of 5 and 6, that is addition and subtraction. Let's group all the terms together and add. 7 plus 9 is 16c. 5 plus 10 is 15b. A plus 2 is 3a. So now again you have mn plus t, 2mn minus t, 3mn minus 3t. So you have to arrange it according to their like terms. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6mn. T is 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4t. So again UV, U minus V, 2UV, and again you have there. So arrange it according to the like terms. U, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6U. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 5 minus 5 is 0. So B value is 0. So your answer is only 6U. So when you take subtraction, 5xyz minus 3xyz plus 3xyz minus 5xy. Though it is given zxy, you can write it as xyz. So plus changes to minus and minus changes to plus and then do your addition rule. So similarly, you have the sums of the next also. 3p plus q plus 5. So here from p minus 2q plus 7. So we write p minus 2q plus 7 on top. And 3p, you don't have q term, so let it be as it is and write 5 in the constant term. So 7 minus 5 is plus 2. 2q remains the same. 1 minus 3 is minus 2p. So m plus n from 3m minus 7n. So 3m minus 7n, m plus n, change the sign. And then minus 7 plus 1, minus 1 is minus 8n. 3 minus 1 is 2m. 2y plus z from 6z minus 5y. So let's write 6z minus 5y divided by z plus 2y. Minus 3 and minus 2 is minus 7y and 6 minus 1 is 5z. We'll move to sum number 7, simplify. X plus y minus z plus 3x minus 5y plus 7z minus 14x plus 7y minus 6z. So here what I am doing is I'm just removing the bracket x plus y minus z. Since it is plus, just remove the bracket 3x minus 5y plus 7z. Now here you have minus, so you have to multiply each term or change the sign of the next entire expression. So you get minus 14x plus 7y changes to minus 7y and minus 6z changes to plus 6z. Now group all the terms together, x terms together, y terms together and z terms together. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 minus 14 is minus 10x. 1 minus 5 is minus 4, minus 4 and minus 7 is minus 11y. Minus 1 plus 7 is plus 6, plus 6 plus 6 is plus 12z. So add the numerical coefficients. P plus P plus 2 plus P plus 3 minus P minus 4 minus P minus 5 minus plus P plus 10. So group the P values and the numerical values. So you get 1, 2, 3P and plus 4P minus 2P. So you get 2P and add the values. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 10 is plus 6. N into n plus m plus 1 plus n plus 2 plus m plus 3 plus n plus 4 plus m plus 5. Group all the n together and the numeric numbers together. So you have 1, 2, 3n, 3m and 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14 and 1, 15. And there we come to the objective questions. The addition of 3mn minus 5mn, 8mn and minus 4mn. So 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 8 is plus 6. Plus 6 minus 4 is plus 2 mn. When we subtract a from minus a, we get minus a minus of a. So both are minus signs. So you add, you get minus 2a as your answer. In an expression, we can add or multiply only like terms. And there we come to the end of this exercise. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe our channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you for watching Raghava Creation Maths is Easy. Let's learn maths in an easy and interesting way.